So, all right, today we are on day 20 and the chapter is called Heart Magic. So, who wants to read?
I can read.
Okay, perfect.
Okay.
So, others can mute themselves. I quickly share the soft copy. Bang on. I opened the PDF and reached the right page in one stroke.
Magic. So am I reading?
Yes, Auntie. Madhu Auntie, you can start.
Heart magic. So we finally come to the heart now from money. Okay. jump away from money today. Let's go to the heart. Gratitude is memory of the heart. Jean-Baptiste Massieu, French Revolution activist. You might have figured out by now that with any magical practice of gratitude, the aim is always to feel it as much as you can. This is because when you increase the feeling of gratitude on the inside, the things you have to be grateful for in the outside world increase too. Eventually, after practicing gratitude for a long period of time, you will automatically feel it deeply in your heart. However, today's magical practice will collapse the time it would normally take for you to reach that level. The heart magic practice is designed to powerfully increase the depths that you feel gratitude by focusing your mind on the area of your heart as you say and feel the magic words, thank you. Scientific research has shown that by focusing on your heart as you feel the gratitude, the rhythm of your heart immediately becomes much more even and harmonious, resulting in major improvements to your immune system and health. That gives you an idea of the power of the heart magic. It takes a little practice the first time you try it, but it is worth the effort. After a few times, you will get it. And each time you practice it, your feeling of gratitude will increase exponentially. To practice heart magic, focus your mind and your attention on the area around your heart. It doesn't matter if you focus on the inside or outside of your body. Close your eyes because it makes it easier. And while keeping your mind focused on your heart, mentally say the magic words, thank you. Once you have practiced it a few times, you won't need to close your eyes anymore. But as a general rule, you will feel more gratitude when you close your eyes. There are several things you can do to help you get heart magic down really quickly. You can pull your right hand on the area around you can put your right hand on the area around your heart to keep your mind focused there while you say the magic words, thank you. Or you can imagine that the magic words, thank you, are coming out of the heart rather than your mind as you say them. As part of today's magical practice, take your top 10 desire list and practice heart magic on each of those desires. Read each desire in your mind or out loud, and when you get to the end of the reading each one, close your eyes, focus your mind on the area around your heart and keep your mind on your heart area and say the magic words again, thank you, slowly. Again, you can use the tips I have given above if it helps you. After you have finished heart magic on each of your desires, you will have not only increased the depth of gratitude you are able to reach, you will also have dramatically increased your gratitude for your top desires. You can continue to practice heart magic on your desires regularly if you want to speed up the receiving of them. Or you can use heart magic anytime you say the magic words, thank you. Even just using heart magic a couple of times a day will have a big effect on your happiness and on the magic in your life. Once you have practiced heart magic a few times, you will feel a huge increase in the depth of your feelings. And with gratitude, it's all about the depth of the feelings, because the deeper the feeling, the greater the abundance you will receive. The initial physical signs that you have increased the depth of your feelings could be that you get a tingling feeling around your heart, or feel a wave of joy rush through your body. Your eyes may fill with tears, or you may get goosebumps. But without exception, you will begin to feel a depth of peace and happiness you have never felt before. Magic practice number 20, heart magic. Count your blessings, make a list of 10 blessings, write why you are grateful, reread your list, and at the end of each blessing, say thank you, thank you, thank you, and feel as grateful for that blessing as you can. Focus your mind and your attention on the area around your heart. Close your eyes, and while keeping your mind focused on the heart, mentally say the magic words, thank you. Take your top 10 desire list and practice heart magic by reading each desire, then closing your eyes and focusing your mind on the area around your heart and slowly saying thank you again. Just before you go to sleep tonight, hold your magic rock in one hand and say the magic words thank you for the best thing that has happened during the day.
Thank you, Madhu Aunty, for reading it. So I think
Thank you, Aunty.
I would like to go back to the picture which is there, and it's a tree and a heart is etched, and you know the blessings or the sparkle or gratitude of universe is coming. And it's also shown that trees, I mean, a lot of people believe that trees can be your best friends, and you can definitely make a connection with them. And in past also there have been I think there was some andolan where Narmada Andolan or something, where women were hugging the trees and didn't let the officers cut the forest.
That's not Narmada.
That is Chipko Andolan.
Chipko Andolan, yes, yes.
Ah,
Chipko
not
Andolan.
Narmada.
that is
Yes.
in Bengal.
In Bengal it
Narmada
happened,
is,
right.
Narmada is different. Narmada is
That
for,
was for the river, right.
Ah, ah.
Thank you.
for the
So,
dam.
Dam.
Narmada Andolan is for the relocation of people who were under the water, basically.
Yeah. So Chipko Andolan was for the trees, and that's how special trees are. And the author, I think, with this chapter, she has really changed the game. So for last 19 chapters, we have been saying कि अंदर से feeling आनी चाहिए gratitude के time. You have to feel from within. Now she has actually told the trick how to do it. You can keep a hand on your heart, and then feel grateful. And initially it might not happen, but slowly you will realize that it is working quite well. And today only I was listening to somebody's experience of one lady for this chapter. So her husband is a doctor. She said हमारे घर पे स्टेथोस्कोप तो पड़ा ही होता है. So मैंने एक बार लगाया और अपनी हार्ट बीट सुनने शुरू की. And then I started feeling grateful. And she said it was really magical. So whosoever has a stethoscope, I don't have. So if in your life, if you can try, I mean, I think it's really going to help. Yeah.
Absolutely.
So Sonam, you want to add something?
No, just a point where, and this has happened to me where I think I was hugging like one of my favorite people, and I remember listening to the heartbeat, and that really shifted it for me. So heartbeat is something that is obviously we're like, हाँ heart तो beat कर रहा है, हम तो chill कर रहे हैं. We take it for granted, and it's like an involuntary machine. But I think today's practice will be all about just thanking that, because we never ever care about it. We just send hearts on WhatsApp, and then that's the only association that we have with hearts. Yeah, Madhu Aunty, you want to say something?
Yeah, I was saying, yeah, heartbeat, holding your hand on your heart is one way of looking at it. But
Absolutely.
have these mudras which we do, which are essentially trying to see your pulse. You can actually feel the heartbeat.
Got it.
Even at the tip of your fingertip, when you touch these two fingers, whichever two fingers, you can feel very faint, but you can feel the beats. And that is important when you're doing the meditation. I mean,
Correct, because usually you do.
No, there are many. All fingers you use. There are many ways of doing the mudras for different reasons. Mudras are done for different reasons, but usual is this basically. Or Jnana Mudra. That is this, the first one. Yeah. So anyone which you do, if you just touch them, you have to give it a right pressure. Feel the pulse basically. You can feel your pulse.
That's it. That's very interesting. And I mean, and I have read about how powerful, like even the mudras that people give you and recommend for you,
Yes,
so
yes.
powerful. I mean, we literally don't have to do anything but follow them, but it's crazy.
Yeah.
I have no knowledge, unfortunately. Madhu aunty, sometimes we'd like to
Even
learn.
even for the chakras, Sonam, there are specific mudras which you can do as a normal practice, and there are others which are for healing. One
Yeah.
is the normal balance of the chakra, and the other one is for when you are actually doing some, when you know that your chakra is not balanced and you want to heal it. There is another mudra that they give. They suggest.
Wow.
Very beautiful practice. I think whenever we want quick results. So I don't think in our group
Oh, nothing is quick. There is nothing quick
yeah,
in
that's
this.
what. So in this group nobody's craving for any kind of quick result. So but yeah, to make your prayers more
Oh, you are not
intense.
craving for quick results, money?
No, not quick.
No, no.
Easy
Not
money I
quick.
don't want.
Because it comes
Because
quickly.
Not
yeah.
easy. Easy and quick are two different things. Easy is
Yeah.
a different connotation.
So I won't value if it comes very quick or easily or whatever you
Yeah.
call it. So I want to go through the journey. That's the whole idea.
Okay.
Yes. So
Okay. So, anyone wants to add anything, or should we move on to the practice? We'll do something that's related to the chapter, of course. So, we will go through an energy journey.
This is
And
the heart mudra. This is the heart
Which-
mudra if you want to know.
oh yes. So let's what we'll do today is actually this one, right? The
Yeah,
lotus.
this one
right?
you touch the little fingers and the thumbs and
Okay.
lotus kind of, and hold it in front of your heart basically.
Fantastic. So what we're going to do is today combine what Madhu aunty has given us and the chakra chanting. So the Bij mantra for the heart chakra is Yum.
Yeah.
Y-U-M, right? So we'll do the mudra, close our eyes, place it in front. So this is correct, right? You join the fingers.
Join the little finger and the thumb.
A lotus pose in front of
That's
your
a
heart.
spread. Yeah.
Okay. Place it in front of your heart. Actually, now that you know the mudra, let's do a little bit of deep breathing and then we go into mudra and chanting, right?
Yeah, sure.
So, everybody settle down. Take a deep breath in. Close your eyes. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. While you breathe in deeply, imagine breathing in love and gratitude and all the goodness that the universe has to offer. As you breathe out every little aspect that does not work for you. So breathe in deeply, like you're inhaling golden energy of gratitude, and relax. While you breathe out, drop your shoulders down and you can go, right? So breathe in deeply. That's gratitude. And once again, breathe in deeply. And let go. Now we move to chakra chanting and mudra, right? So come into your mudra position, the one that we discussed. Place it right in front of your heart, right? Maybe a little closer to your body. And we'll chant the Bij mantra, Y-U-M, Yum. So now, if you can't manage to, again, imagine the chakra on your heart, it's okay, because today we've added the mudra. You can just chant, but I'd like you to concentrate, bring your awareness to the center of your chest. So even if you're not imagining, your consciousness, your awareness needs to focus at the center of your chest. So what you do is imagine another golden light, a ball of light, simply a golden divine ball of light right in the center of your chest. Now keep that ball of light and concentrate on it while you're chanting. If you can't concentrate, don't bother yourself, continue chanting, right? So we'll chant this, say 10 times. So take a deep breath in. Deep breath in. Gentle smile on your face. Deep breath in. Deep breath in. Breathe in. Breathe in. Last time. Relax your mudra. Stay still. Notice the shift in energy you have had. Notice how you feel at the center of your chest. Notice if you're feeling vibrations. Notice if you're feeling calm. Whatever it is, take note. Let's sit in that wonderful silence for 30 seconds. And now, rub your hands together. Place them on your eyes and stay there. Stay there on your eyes. And slowly get your hands down and to your face. Okay.
Thank you, Sonam. Quite intense.
Wow, Madhu aunty, that was fantastic. Thank you so much for sharing that with us. I just feel like we do chakra, but then this really enhanced at least my chanting. It was fantastic. How did you guys feel? Sapna aunty, you're on mute.
Very nice. It was.
Go ahead. Go. Superb.
So have a lovely night and a magical day. So we'll meet tomorrow, same time, same place. Okay. Good night, everyone.
Good night,
Bye.
everyone.
Okay, good night.
Ganpati Bappa Moria.
Ganpati Bappa.
Ganpati Bappa
Moria.
Moria.